In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an adjustable strap to rectangular rings. This is a 1-inch width strap. You want to cut 4 inches of fabric. It's 4 times the amount that you want your strap to end up being. You're also going to need 2 tabs to connect the strap to the purse or to the bag. And what we do, we cut the 4 inches, and then we press it in half, and that's just to find the center is the reason for that. And then you want to fold it again, and you want one long raw edge to meet that center and press it, and then you want the other one to meet the center and press it, and then you fold it over again, and that gives you a 1-inch tab. Now this is for 2. This is 8 inches long. There's 4 inches for each tab. What you're going to be doing, we're going to top stitch on both sides and then cut it in half. And you're going to feed it through a D-ring. Now this is actually a square one or a rectangle, which I've gotten to where I like these pretty good. You're going to put it on the same way as you would the D-rings. And then what happens is then your strap gets attached to the top part. So we'll be showing you that. But right now I'm going to take this to the machine, and I'm going to top stitch both long edges of the tabs, and then I'm going to cut it in half. Rings. Now we do have a video showing how to do the adjustable strap if you are using the swivel lobster claws, which is a little bit easier than this, but it's kind of tricky if you have your rectangular rings attached already to your bag loops. You do it a little bit differently, and so that's what I'm going to show you today. So first, what you want to do, you want to get your adjustable portion, and you want to have it on the right side, and then take the right side that you want to use of your strap. In this one we have different stripes on different sides, and I want to use this one. So you want to take, you can tell which is the right side by looking and seeing where this has been crimped to hold it in place. So the right side would be the one that looks finished. You want to take that through one of the sides and then take it through the other side. Now this part, you're going to need to take it to a sewing machine, and leave about an inch overhang here so your presser foot doesn't get in the way. And you want to stitch that just right across using a reinforcing stitch. Now after you get that stitched down, you want to, keeping your right side up, pull this out just a little bit, take it through the top of one of your rings, and then make sure that you're not twisting it. Bring it back to that adjustable hardware and run it through the other end, and then take it back through the left side, and then just pull it through and bring it over and take it through the other ring. I'm going to clip that. Of course, now that will have to be sewn. This will have to be sewn on the machine, but you want to make sure that you aren't twisted. I do think I might be twisted. I am twisted. Okay, so take it out, take the twisted part out, and let's see, which way do we have to go with that? Put it back through, and clip that, and then take it to the machine to tack down the one side of the strap, and then you will be finished. Now if you don't want it to be adjustable, all you have to do then is just take one end of your strap and fasten it, and then go around and take the other end and put it through this side. Much easier than the adjustable strap, but if you want an adjustable, that is how you would do it. Hope you enjoy.